I will never struggle with my Honda HR-V's Bluetooth again after learning these simple steps. If you're tired of dropped calls and silent speakers, stay tuned. Let's fix it together. First, let's check the basics. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and your HR-V is in park. On your car's screen, tap Settings, then Bluetooth. If you see your phone listed, select it. If not, tap Add Bluetooth device. Now go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and look for your car's name, usually Honda HR-V. Tap it to pair. A code should pop up. If it matches on both your phone and the car screen, hit pair on your phone, then yes in your car. Still no luck? Try deleting the device from both your car and your phone, then start the pairing process again. Make sure no other devices are trying to connect at the same time. If your phone's software is out of date, update it and try again. And remember, some older phones might have issues with newer cars. If nothing works, turn your car off and back on. Yes, the classic restart trick. Still stuck? Your local Honda dealer can help. With just a few steps, you can get your tunes and calls running smoothly again. Give these tips a try and drive connected.